Hello, my name is Saima and I'm an ex-student of Cisco Academy at UT Peshawar. Recently, I started my postgraduate studies in Northern Ireland. Before coming to Ireland, I completed the PCAP Programming Essentials in Python course offered by the OpenADG Python Institute through Cisco Academy at UT Peshawar. I would like to share my experience learning Python and the importance regarding your career. In March 2024, I enrolled in a Python course at Cisco Academy UT Peshawar. It is a comprehensive, globally recognized program covering basics to advanced topics. As a complete beginner, I learned everything from scratch. In 3 months, I gained a lot of knowledge. I'm grateful to our instructor Sarah Haq, who is Cisco and Python certified, and he made the learning process enjoyable and effective for the whole class. When I moved to Ireland and started my data science class, I noticed that the pace of education is very fast, with more courses to cover in less time. My Python course helped me a lot here. The quality teaching and globally recognized curriculum at Cisco Academy made everything easier for me compared to other students, and I scored very high in my exams. Python is one of the most powerful and versatile programming languages today, used in data science, machine learning, web development, automation, and many more. Python is a skill that opens countless opportunities in the modern world. Its simplicity and flexibility makes it essential for everyone looking to build a career in tech. So my advice is that if you want to study in Pakistan or abroad, you must learn Python. Remember, a certificate is just a piece of paper if you don't have the skills to back it up. Don't do it just for a certificate. Get something valuable out of it. If anyone needs further assistance, please feel free to leave a query in the comment section and I'll be happy to help.